Hello guys, welcome back to the channel All Things With Us. I'm Catherine. If you're new here, thank you for clicking in, and if you're already a subscriber, thank you for your support. So in today's video, we are going to give you a house tour. So if you love our content, please consider subscribing, like, comment down below. Also turn the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our videos when we upload. So guys, this is our entryway. Yeah, and for these shears, we got them from easily at 2500. So when you come in, this is the first thing that you see, this painting. We did it ourselves, but unfortunately, we don't have that video. Next to the entryway, this is our dining area. And for these beautiful chairs, we made them ourselves. If you want to see how we made these chairs, we are going to leave the link in the description box down below. So guys, this is a stool and we made this ourselves. We have a video, you can go watch it. This is a DIY mirror we tried, and we are going to leave to show a small video of how we made it.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
So these artificial plants, we got it from Kamukunji, 1500. And for these, we are going to leave the link down below so you can watch how we made it. We also made this TV stand. We are going to leave the link down below if you want to see how we made it. So these are small decor ideas that we tried. We made them ourselves. And these, you can see how cute it looks. And these ones,